Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today in this video I'll be reviewing my Kar-98K. The Carabiner 98 Kurz, commonly known as the Kar-98K, is a German-designed bolt-action rifle chambered in 7.92 by 57mm Mauser. One of the last Mauser military rifles, the Kar-98K was the primary service rifle for the Germans from 1935 until the end of World War II, where it can still be found in service across the world. The cardboard model I'm holding here is a full-scale replica of the Kar-98K, containing a wide variety of details seen on its real-life counterpart. The profile of the gun narrows going into the grip and down to the front of the gun, as well as having a recessed area behind the bolt handle. Functional parts include a working bolt mechanism that moves independently from the safety, a raisable and adjustable rear sight, and the safety itself being able to be toggled. Other details include the butt plate, sling mount, and the bracket around the front of the gun, a trigger, and an accurate sight picture to name a few. This gun took me around 12 hours to make, but as you can see, the work put in paid off. If you would like to make this gun yourself, a tutorial on how it's made is linked in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe. Want to see more videos and tutorials in the future? Please consider supporting me on Patreon. Also, you can find links to all my social media platforms in the description below. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye!